up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing my Grove Collaborative Order. Unboxing it, because this is my first time trying them. I have been curious about them in the past, and then I didn't have the extra money then or whatever, but I actually was watching a mommy YouTube vlogger or whatever, and she had a really good code. So I got like 5 pieces for free, and I only spent like $20 on everything that I'm about to show you. So I'm pretty excited. I'm in kind of like the middle of transitioning my home into a more naturally incorporated home. I'm trying to replace things. Like, I'm using up everything that I have, but once it's done, I'm trying to replace it with a more natural product, just because I want to keep the environment as safe and as non-toxic and family friendly as possible. So I'm just going to get right into it. I have the box here. I opened it and kind of peeked around, but you get all this stuffing. Sorry. Okay. So I think like on top I have my packing slip, which is right here. Just shows my order. I'm pretty excited for everything. Okay, so the first thing I got, and I believe I got this for free, it's the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. See there? And what I'm it's a 2-pack. And so it's like a soft scrubber on one, and then the other side is like a walnut scrubber. So I heard about the walnut sponges that they had. I heard they were really good, but I also like this, so I can wipe off my counters after I've scrubbed. So I opted to get this option, so I'm pretty excited for that, because I love sponges. And my husband's not a sponge person, so I was like, I'm getting some sponges for once. The second thing is the hand sanitizer spray in blood orange with moisturizing coconut oil. I don't know if you can see that. Might be a little bright. Anyways, so it's a hand sanitizer spray with blood orange essential oil. Let's see. So I guess you just spray your hands. Oh, that smells so good. I like that. This is something nice that I could have like on the go. Like, if, you know, we're at the store and I've been pushing the cart, I can just like spray. Because I usually always carry hand sanitizer with me, but it's usually like the up and up like sanitizer. So it's nice to have like a natural product that I could just kind of toss in my purse if I need to. The next thing, which I will just pull out, this was actually put in by mistake. It is the dish brush replacement head. And I don't own the dish brush because this is my first order. So what I was supposed to get was the Grove Collaborative reusable snack bags. And they're just like reusable snack bags. Instead of buying a whole pack, I could just reuse them, rinse them out, then put them in the next day's lunches. So I actually emailed them yesterday saying, hey, like, I was supposed to get the snack bags. I got the brush heads, which I don't even have the brush yet. Like, you know, what can you do? They emailed me back the first thing this morning, basically said, you know, we've credited your Grove account $10 so you can order both items that you need, so you can get the brush and the snack bags next box or whatever. So that was really nice. They got back to me promptly and overcompensated, so that works. So I actually, in my cart right now, I have the brush that goes with this and a snack bag set. So, it worked out. Next thing, I have the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Pumpkin Scent Dish Soap. I'm pretty excited. I have this hand soap already, and I don't know, it smells good. It smells really good. It's just like a little too sweet for me to be a hand soap, so I don't know. I tried the dish soap. I don't know how I'm going to feel about it, but I really like fall scents all around, so whatever. Next, I got the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Apple Cider Scent Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. And I have this already in lavender, and I've used it in rosemary. But I really like this cleaner because, like, I have 2 kids, and their grimy little fingers get all over everything. And this is, like, so nice because I can use it on multiple surfaces. It's not just for glass. It's not just for wood. It's a multi-surface. Oh. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I've never had this scent before, so I got the pumpkin and the dish soap because I knew I liked it, but I wanted to get the apple cider too to see. But this smells so good. Soap as well. So I have this in pumpkin. I got it in apple cider this time. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And it doesn't just smell like apple. It's apple cider. Like the drink that you can get at the cider mills and all that stuff. That's what it smells like. I'm so happy. I can't even tell you. Next, oh, that goes. I got these wooden dryer balls. And I heard about these on that channel that I've been watching. She does cleaning videos and everything. And I really like this because I'm like debating myself whether I want to get dryer sheets or whatever, but this is a natural way to kind of fluff it up and soften your items that are in the dryer and do it in a natural way. So this is the wool dryer, did I say wooden? Wool dryer balls, handmade from fine New Zealand wool. 100% pure New Zealand wool, so no additives, nothing, which is nice. It's a 3-pack, so got that. And then it also came with, please hold. It also came with the orange essential oil. So like basically you like just put a couple drops on, you know, if it's a small load, 1 ball, if it's a large load, 2 balls, you know, whatever, and then you toss it in the dryer and then your stuff will smell delicious when it comes out. So I'm super excited because I have a haul coming up, essential oil haul, and I'm pumped. I'm so excited because I'm trying to implement this stuff into my house, and this was just really exciting. I think this together was $20.95, was actually pretty good because essential oils typically by themselves are $10, which means these 3 are $10, so like roughly 3 and some change each, which is not bad. So I'm pretty excited, and they're reusable, so I'm gonna get my use out of them. So I'm pretty excited to try all this stuff out. I will try to let you guys know what I think. I'm sorry, there's a bug on my wall and I'm freaking out a little bit right now. I will try to update you guys and let you guys know what I think about these things. I'm so excited. This just makes me feel so happy. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys like to see this kind of stuff. Let me know your thoughts. I'm excited. Let me know if you have any of these products and your thoughts on them and how they worked out for you. And until next time, I'll see you later.